Sony Bravia 8 is a premium 4K OLED TV released in May 2024. Over 8 million precisely controlled self-lit pixels produce pure black with high brightness picture. Panel refresh rate is 120 Hz. It is available in 55, 65, and 77-inch sizes. Bravia 8 has 4 HDMI inputs, digital audio input, 2 USB ports, and USB HDD recording port. Bluetooth version is 5.3. Display resolution is 4K, 3840 to 2160 pixels. Audio power output is 5 times 10 watts. Speaker configuration is 2 actuators, 2 tweeters, and 1 subwoofer. Bravia 8 uses the Google TV operating system. Onboard storage is 32 GB. It's powered by Sony's cognitive processor XR, which is designed to mimic the human brain to deliver a never-before-seen immersive viewing experience. Bravia 8 OLED screen individually and expertly controls 8 million self-illuminating pixels, turning each one on or off to dark and light for deeper blacks and more dazzling colors. This TV has a crystal clear picture, so refined and real that it rediscovers details. XR Clear Image uses a custom database to intelligently convert any video to near 4K. Noise is minimized by XR Clear Image through zone division and dynamic frame analysis. Powered for Precision XR processor features a scene recognition system that detects and analyzes data with flawless accuracy, then optimizes the picture for ultimate realism. Featuring OLED screen, it sits in between the Sony Bravia 7 and the Sony Bravia 9 LED. Like all recent high-end Sony TVs, it offers a wide range of features, hands-free voice control, and the latest in gaming features. Prices for 55 inches is $1,799, 65 inches is $2,499, and 77 inches is $3,899. The Sony Bravia 8 is an impressive OLED TV. With sleek design, seamlessly enhances home decoration, and 4K resolution with OLED screen offers amazing picture quality.